Welcome. So look, 2026 has brought a lot of changes to coin selling. If you have old coins and want to sell them, this latest update is very important for you. Perhaps you inherited them, found part of an old collection, or simply noticed some change in your drawer and thought you might find something valuable. Let's learn how to sell them effectively in 2026. So, first of all, you need to understand what coins you have. Now, in 2026, online resources have become very advanced. Are these coins common or rare? From which time period? Who minted them? All of these things are very important. Every coin has unique characteristics, design, weight, size, or even the metal it's made from. You should get a proper coin catalog. Old numismatic books are still useful, but now there are digital tools available that are much better. You can ask local coin collectors or visit online communities. Now let's research the value in 2026. Look, the mistake most people make is that they think something is worth the same as something they saw on YouTube or Facebook. This is absolutely the wrong approach. You should look at actual sold prices, not asking prices. If someone lists a coin on eBay for $500 in 2026, it's not worth $500. It might not have even sold. Check Heritage Auctions, Stack's Bowers Auctions, or eBay's completed listings. Look for where the actual transaction occurred. In 2026, online platforms have become very sophisticated. Coin World, Numismatic News, PCGS databases. Use them for research. And yes, keep the physical Red Book 2026 edition at home. It's still worth it for serious collectors. AI-based price tracking is now available, automatically showing updated prices. The most important thing now is the coin's condition. Same coin, different conditions, completely different prices. If the coin is scratched or damaged, the value will decrease. If it is in mint condition, the value will increase exponentially. Professional photo grading tools are also available in 2026, which are very accurate. Learn the Sheldon scale. This system is still used worldwide in 2026. No changes. From poor to mint state. You can practice at home. Get a magnifying glass, arrange good lighting, and carefully examine the coins. Now in 2026, there are also mobile apps that automatically adjust the lighting for professional photography. For professional grading, PCGS or NGC are also the best options in 2026. Fees increase slightly every year, but the quality is still the same. If the coin is worth $150 plus, then get it graded. This is a very interesting topic. Many common coins actually have rare varieties that can be very valuable. Double dies, repunch mint marks, striking errors. These are all special even in 2026. The Kanika and numismatic online communities have become very active in 2026. Their websites have detailed catalogs, varieties are listed, and the community is very responsive. Post images, ask, and you'll get an instant reply. You can also join local coin clubs. Hybrid meetings are now being held in 2026, both online and offline. Important thing, if you think there's a rare error, confirm first, then sell. Reputation systems are very strict on social media in 2026. If you mistakenly sell a misrepresented coin to someone, your online reputation will be instantly ruined. Reviews will be negative and no one will buy coins. Platforms have expanded significantly in 2026. eBay is still the largest platform for individual sellers with millions of collectors. However, the fee structure has changed slightly in 2026. Around 12 to 15% of fees are taken out. Verified seller badges are also available in Facebook groups in 2026, which builds trust. Direct buyers can be found, and fees are lower. Cryptocurrency payments are also being accepted on some platforms in 2026. Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. This option can offer both risk and reward. Local auctions. In 2026, most auctioneers require online listings. Virtual bidding is available, allowing more people to participate. Commissions are still the same, but access is much better. Coin shows. Hybrid coin shows are being held in 2026. Go to a physical venue, and online live bidding is also available. The best deals are found there. Photographing standards have become very high in 2026. Take photographs in good lighting. Show both sides clearly. Close-up photos are a must. 360-degree video tours are now also expected for high-value coins in 2026. Write a completely honest and detailed description. Date, mint, mark, grade. Write everything. If the coin has any damage, mention it. Buyers in 2026 are very detail-oriented. Bad photos or vague descriptions instantly make them suspicious, and they won't bid. The coin market in 2026 is a bit volatile. Look, if you price too low, it will sell quickly but leave money on the table. If you price too high, it will sit unsold. Do your research in 2026. Look at the sold prices of similar coins. Check platforms to see what the average is. Look at market trends. Then fix the current market price for your coins. Consider condition, rarity, and demand, all three. Lot pricing is a better option in 2026 if you have bulk coins. Individual listings waste a lot of time. Secure payments are very important in 2026. Use PayPal, escrow services, and protected payment gateways. Scams have increased significantly. Pack valuable coins properly and insure them. Tracking numbers are essential for every shipment. Maintain records for tax purposes. Specific registration is required for selling collectible coins in 2026 in some countries. Check the requirements in your area first. Buyer communication is absolutely crucial in 2026. Quick replies are essential. Remain professional. If a buyer is dissatisfied, resolve gracefully. Online reputation is everything in 2026. Being a good seller leads to repeat buyers and referrals, which are very valuable in the long term. So basically, in 2026, if you research your coins properly, present them professionally, and sell them on the right platform, you can definitely get good returns. Technology has advanced a lot, but the basics remain the same. Take it slow. Start with a few coins, gain experience, and then expand. You have to learn from mistakes. Join local coin communities and online forums will be very helpful in 2026. This was my latest 2026 update video about coin selling. Like, share, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.